Okay, Year 11 IPT, Thursday the 30th of April. Today, your learning intention is I need you to understand and explain the function of a charge couple device. It's what's used in digital cameras, scanners, cameras. Your phone has got a charge couple device. The video camera I'm recording this on operates on a charged couple device. How it actually works, just simply, light comes in, light has energy. It's called a photon. It hits a wafer of silicon, the silicon chip, and that photon knocks out electrons. More photons equals more light equals more electrons get knocked out. Those electrons get stored underneath in what's called a capacitor. So it stores the charge. This is every pixel has a little bit of silicon and a little capacitor. So that capacitor stores the charge. Then when we say, yeah, we're finished taking the picture, it sends that value, how many electrons, how bright it was, off to the computer. But you know the phone on the back of your camera is probably, 16 megapixels, 12 megapixels, 32 megapixels, 32 million pixels. I'm going to just hit play here on this one and talk over him. So, 32 megapixels is what you've got on your camera. 32 million pixels. They actually split it to get colour. I'm going to just hit pause. To get colour, they split it into red, green and blue. So what they have here, they've got 4. They split it into 4 pixels. The first one measures clear. So that measures the total number. They put a tiny little red filter over the next charged couple. And then it only measures how many red photons are coming in. Green, blue. Size-wise, each one of these is tiny. When I say tiny, we're talking micrometers. Across your hair, the diameter of one human hair, there you go. There's not much hair left in there, but I can see one in my hand. In that hair, that is 40 microns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If they're 8 microns, each one of these, 8 millionths of a metre, 8 thousandths of a millimetre across, each one of these 4 patterns. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 40 microns. 40 microns is the diameter of one of the hairs on your head. So that's an idea of the scale of these things. Measure the colour, send it to the camera. This gentleman here is doing a great job at explaining it. I've just been through and drilled it down a bit to fill in the missing stuff that he didn't. Today, please make sure that you understand this video that I'm going to link onto Google Classrooms. On a Google Doc, explain how charged couple devices work in your words. I'll set it as an assessment, upload your assessment, I'll give you feedback on it. Thank you.